Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, let's start the mock test for the Jrf fisheries aspirants. Now start the questions. The gram-positive bacteria is a type of, all of you know that majorly gram-negative bacteria means Vibrio, Pseudomonas and all of the Salmonella and also Clostridium. These are belongs to the gram-negative bacteria. So except here Bacillus and Listeria, all of these are gram-positive bacteria. So option B, Bacillus, is the correct option. Next, the primary structure of protein is due to the which bound? It is due to the hydrogen bound. So option A is correct. Next, aflatoxin is produced from aflatoxin is mainly produced by the which species? It is produced by the Aspergillus species. Aspergillus is a type of fungi. So option C, fungi, is correct. Next, Bachydamer is a product of dyed squid or cuttlefish or sea cucumber or fish. It is a product of sea cucumber. So option C is correct. Next, which is the most modern method of fish preservation? Modern, they are asking: drying, salting, chilling, freezing. All of these are drying, salting, chilling. All of you know it is a natural methods, except here freezing. Freezing is a modern method used by the refrigerators and also some cold storages for the modern method of fish preservation. Next, pearl escens is produced from the pearl or prawn shell or fish bones or fish scales. It is produced by the fish scales. So option D is correct. Next, which species is likely to be in danger of extinction in the near future or called as? Near future, it is danger, they are saying. It is due to the endangered species. Endanger is near to danger. Next, storymeter is used to check for what purpose we use this. For freshness, we use the storymeter. So option D, fish freshness, is used to check the storymeter. Next, India has an exclusive economic zone of how many kilometers? All of you know that option B, 2.02 million square kilometers. The continental shelf area of country is appropriate. How much the continental shelf area is there? It is option A is 0.5 million square kilometers is the continental shelf area. Next, among the coastal states of marine fish catch is highest in, where it is mostly highest in coastal, they are asking for marine, is in Andhra Pradesh. Gujarat and Goa, these are very low. Then inland fish production is highest in which state? For inland means which is the highest one? For inland, West Bengal is highest. For marine, Andhra Pradesh is highest. Next one, which is the sign of diseased fish? Mostly we observe eroded skin and also normal swimming is for healthier fish and absence of spots, bright coloration, it is for healthy fishes, except eroded skin, it is observed in the diseased fish. Next, lignus is prepared from the air bladder of fish or skin of fish or gills or liver. From which part will prepare this glass? It is prepared from the air bladder of the fish because it is used for buoyancy. So we can prepare this glass from this air bladder. Next, chitin and chitosan is prepared from the fish waste or crustacean shell or fish scale or molluscan shell. Chitin and chitosan, they are saying. Chitin is prepared from the crustaceans. So crustacean shell is used for preparation of chitin and also chitosan. For the control of EUS disease, which one is used, they are saying. Which is the type of vaccine used for this disease? It is the CFAX. Option D is correct. Next, which netting yarn is commonly used in the fishing? Netting yarn used in the fishing is twisted netting yarn we used for fishing. Next one, a compound produced by an organism that inhibits the growth of another organism. Which inhibits the other organism is an antiseptic or anticoagulant or antibodies. Antibodies can inhibit the growth of other microorganisms because antibodies fight against the antigens in the fishes and it fight against these microorganisms. It inhibits their growth. Next, DNA fingerprinting is a sequence matcher or mini satellite DNA or microsatellite DNA, which you use mostly for mini satellite DNA. We use this DNA fingerprinting. Next, for DNA fingerprinting, DNA is obtained from the which part? DNA is obtained from the white blood corpuscles or hair root cell or body secretion. All of these parts it is possible to obtain this DNA. So all of the above. Next, antibodies belongs to the category of steroids or tonics or toxins or medicine. Antibodies means it is a type of medicine. It is used to fight against the diseases against the antigen. So it is a type of medicine. Next, antibodies are mostly prepared from the fungi or cyanobacteria or actinomyces or both A and B. It is prepared from the fungi. Most of the fungi are useful for us, like example penicillium, or all of you know this penicillium is used to prepare for some medicines, and also Alexander Fleming invented this penicillium as a medicine, etc. Next one, genetic engineering is related to the mitotic division of cell or deletion and repair mechanism or nucleotide transfer. Which is the correct option? Guess the answer. It is the option C, nucleotide transfer is related to genetic engineering. Next, hormones of the pituitary gland are all steroids or all proteins, which is the hormones in pituitary gland. Some steroids and some proteins, both are included for the pituitary gland hormones. So option C is correct. Next, hormones are produced by endocrine glands or mucous glands or exocrine glands or apocrine glands. Hormones are mainly produced by the endocrine glands. It is most of the hormones are produced in endocrine only. So it is produced by the endocrine glands. Next, the portion of the sea adjoining the coastal line and falling within depth line is called coastal water or oceanic water or offshore water. Which is the correct one? Coastal water is joining the coastal line, they are asking. So coastal water only join the coastal line and fall within the depth line. Next, sea fishes living close to the seabed are called pelagic or demersal. Which is living close to the seabed is the demersal, and pelagic it is seabed means bottom of the seawater is the demersal fishes, which is present in the surface fishes are called as pelagic fishes. So option B, demersal, is correct. Next, the scientific name of pearl spot is, pearl spot means all of you know that it is a Chanos. Chanos is a type of pearl spot.